Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning. Buen dia. Okay, today I have 16 euro session. Okay. Vamos começar. Let's start. Start with row V, I think. I have ticket number 19 and 20. Okay. Outside Portugal, matching numbers. If we uncover the symbol star, we win 20. There will be 7. This symbol 7 times. This symbol is a win all. Let's start with the bonus. No. We're looking for 24 in Portuguese. Números 18, 12, 11. 16, 41, 23, 25, 33, 14, 21, 26, 40, 45, 22, 28, 29, 13, 42. Okay, so not the winner. Let's go to ticket number 20. Bonus. No. We're looking for 32, 13, 21, 28, 22, 19, 30, 34, 12, 33, 14, 31, 43, 24. All the numbers in the first ticket are all here, guys. 36, 41. Ay, winner, 32. Woohoo, winner. 29. 32. Come on, ticket. Be good to me. 7? There's 7? Okay, so 7. Maybe there's 7. There's 7. Okay, so I got 7 in this ticket. Ticket number 20. Okay, let's go to Palab. Excuse me, guys. I have cold. The weather is so cold and foggy. Okay, so I got 33 and 34. Okay. Palabras sorturas. Con bonus. Lucky words with bonus. Okay, let's play in the old-fashioned way. A and P. Letra A. Okay. G and R. 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 D and C. D and C. G. No D, no C. No. L and L. F and B. F. F. No V. And then O. D and S. D. No S. U. H. U. I need O to win. U. N. I need O. If there's O, I get a lot of win. I need M. Yeah, of course. E. 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 T. But no M. E. E. Oh Lord, is that winner? Of course. Okay, so there's a lot of. Okay, so 33 is the winner. Let's go to 34. It's a winner, guys. It's a winner. What is this? Two the same letters. Woohoo! I don't know what is this, but it's a winner. Let's scratch the old-fashioned way. Z and H. I think this is a special win because I haven't found this lottery code. Well, this is a winner, but I forgot what's the price. Let's scratch the old-fashioned way to make it thrilling. Z and H. Z and H. No? F and M. F. Maybe €3 or what? Z is €3 maybe. I don't play a lot of this ticket, guys. What happened? There's no F and M. No. F. M. No F? Or I don't see. G. O and B. B. O. 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 B. O. I. 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 U and U and P. U. P. T and T. X and V. No X, no V. Why this is a winner when all S and L. S, L, no E, no N. Why this is a winner? I don't understand this. There's F. There's R. No R. No E. And there's B here. And there's M. Okay, so 2 times. No A. There's S. There's P. Oh Lord, Zika. No N. No E. No N. No E. So only 2 times. How much this? Oh Lord. Only €6? Oh Lord. It's a beautiful symbol with only €6. Ah, I was expecting more. Only €6. Oh Lord. Santa Casa. Ay, Jesus. Okay, so not bad, guys. 7 and 6. Okay, 7 and 6. M-O. M-O. V-O. 2 times is €6. Oh Lord, it's a beautiful lottery code with only €6. Okay, so I got how much I spent? 16. I spent 16 and I won how much? 6 and 7, 13. So only €3 donation to Portugal Lottery, guys. Not bad. Okay, so not bad, guys. I thought it's a good win because the lottery code, it seems beautiful, but only €6. Oh Lord have mercy. Okay, so but it's good, guys, because only €3 donation to Portugal Lottery. Not bad. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigado a todos. Ciao.